Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remote start 2016 Buick Encore updated. Start by confirming Encore has remote start and a full battery, then park safely and apply the parking brake. Use the key fob method first. Lock doors, press and hold the remote start button for 2 seconds. If equipped, set up My Buick or OnStar for smartphone start and follow the app prompts to pair your vehicle. Check the owner's manual for remote start compatibility and any dealer activation steps. Locate the remote start button on your key fob or inside the vehicle. To enable remote start via the key fob, press lock then press and hold the remote start button for 2 seconds. Lights will flash and the engine will start. For My Buick setup, create an account, add vehicle VIN, and enable remote services in settings. Test several times to confirm consistency. Always obey local laws and avoid leaving a running vehicle unattended in an enclosed space. Use remote start only in well-ventilated areas and never while someone is in the exhaust path. Disable remote start when servicing the vehicle or when towing. Keep the key fob battery fresh and replace it when range decreases. If remote start fails, check fuses, antenna modules, and consult a dealer for software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.